Hey everyone, Caleb here for Theme Park HT, bringing you the very best tips and tricks for your enjoyment. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Disney dining plans. When you stay at a Walt Disney World resort, you have the option to add a Disney dining plan to your vacation package. There are 3 dining plans to choose from. This includes the Disney Quick Service Dining Plan, the Disney Dining Plan, and the Disney Deluxe Dining Plan. In today's video, we're going to be talking about each of these dining plans and why you should add one to your vacation package the next time you visit Walt Disney World. Now, something for 2018 that has changed is with dining plans, you can now have alcohol. This applies to all of the dining plans, but we're going to go through and break down what each one includes. I also want to point out that all of these dining plans include a resort refillable mug. This mug can be refilled at, you guessed it, your Disney resort. Just keep in mind you're not going to be able to fill this mug up at the park, but you can bring it to the park. You can, however, refill the mug at any Walt Disney World resort. So first up, we have the Disney Quick Service Dining Plan. This dining plan includes 2 quick service meals and 2 snacks. Each quick service meal is going to include 1 entree and 1 beverage, either alcoholic or non-alcoholic. For snacks, you have a lot of different options. You can choose from ice cream, popcorn, milk, juice, hot chocolate, and even Coke products. Next up, we're going to be talking about the Disney Dining Plan. Now, this plan is probably the most popular one because it's kind of in the middle of the two. It's going to include 1 quick service meal, 1 table service meal, and 2 snacks per day. Each table service meal is going to include 1 entree, 1 dessert, and 1 beverage, non-alcoholic or alcoholic. Or if you don't want to do that, you can have a full buffet or family-style meal. Now, the Disney Deluxe Dining Plan is at the top tier of these plans. This plan is going to include 3 meals per day and 2 snacks per day. The meals can be table service or quick service. If you choose to have a table service meal, it's going to include 1 appetizer, 1 entree, 1 dessert, and 1 beverage, alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Or if you don't want to do that, you can have 1 full buffet or family-style meal. So that's just a quick run through of the Disney dining plans. Just to sum it all up, the reason I think the Disney dining plans are something that you should have is because it can make your vacation all-inclusive. You know, when you come to a Walt Disney World resort, you're already paying for the room and your tickets. If you add the meal in, you really don't have to worry about anything else besides souvenirs if you buy something in the parks. Besides all that, it's great to be in the park and not have to worry about money or keeping track of how much you're spending because you've already paid for it, so it's all included. That's all I have to say about the Disney dining plans. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what plan you choose, or if you even do the Disney dining plans at all, or if you just pay as you go. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.